Serious allegations have been raised against the private security guards for taking bribe. The incident took place at Teliamura Subdivisional Hospital around the afternoon hours of Saturday. Reportedly, as the candidates aspiring for SPO post came to Teliamura Subdivisional Hospital for a fitness certificate when the private security guards charged them rupees 50 each. According to the details, Saturday is a public holiday. Accordingly, the office of Teliamura Subdivisional Hospital remained closed. But as next Monday is the last day to submit the papers for the post of SPO, even on the closing day on Saturday, young men and women gathered at the premises of Teliamura Subdivisional Hospital to avail a fitness certificate for applying for the post of SPO. At that time, the private security guards of the hospital informed the job aspirant youths that the official seal on the fitness certificate would be given after 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But later, after 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the private security guards suddenly started saying that no government seal can be issued today as it is a public holiday. But if the private security guards are given a bribe of rupees 50, they can make an arrangement. After hearing this, the youth started to protest. They raised question as why they have to pay rupees 50 to the government hospital. Tension prevailed on the hospital premises for some time, centering the agitation by the job aspiring youths.
আপনার নামে যে অভিযোগটা আছে এই ব্যাপারে কি করবেন?
আমরা করতে পারি না ভাই।
তারা তো এখানে আমার কাছে তো অভিযোগ আছে।
On the other hand, according to a reliable source of the hospital, a circle of the hospital yesterday or Friday also gave the fitness certificate to the candidates for the post of SPO in exchange of a bribe of rupees 20 each. Moreover, through another reliable source at Teliamura Hospital, information has been received that the private security guards at the hospital are carrying out this bribe trade with the indirect help of the hospital doctor, Dr. Somen Das. Shuman Pal, in charge of the government security guards at Teliamura Subdivisional Hospital, ran away from the spot when asked about the incident. However, after a while, two doctors on duty at the hospital, namely Pranay Das and Anirban Bhomik, started signing the fitness certificates and giving government seals to the candidate for the post of SPO.
এখন তো সিল বলতে মেডিকেল অফিসারের সিল করা পাচ্ছে না, তো ইমার্জেন্সি সিল একটা পাচ্ছে। ইমার্জেন্সি আজকে তো অফিস বন্ধ, আজকে তো মেডিকেল সিল তো অফিসে থাকে।
কিন্তু আমরা প্রত্যক্ষ করলাম যে
এটা তো বন্ধের দিনে তো মেডিকেল সিল থাকে না বাইরে, মোস্টলি নরমালি।
তাহলে সেই বিষয়টা নিয়ে কি বলবেন? সেটা কি অবৈধভাবে সিল দেওয়া হচ্ছে?
না, অবৈধভাবে যদি মেডিকেল অফিসারের সিল থাকে দেওয়া হচ্ছে, অফিসিয়াল হসপিটালের স্টাফ যদি দিচ্ছে তাহলে তো বৈধই হবে।
Meanwhile, the Dr. Somen Das Teliamura has been involved in various anti-social activities since he came to the hospital. There are many previous allegations in his name. Without conducting the autopsy of the body of an Indian Army soldier who was killed in a road accident few months ago, the doctor ran away to Agartala while switching off his mobile phone. And with the indirect help of this doctor, it is alleged that Teliamura Government Hospital has now become a platform for bribery. Now, question is, if today is a public holiday, then how did the work of issuing the official seal on the fitness certificate start after denying at first? If really a cycle has been run in the hospital indirectly involved with this bribe trade, such questions are now peeping among the well-informed conscious community. Bureau Report, Halabod.